How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Gen 3 router for your Starlink. So it's going to be the same thing if you're using something like a Gen 1 and Gen 3 router. Basically, at the back of your router right here, you will be able to see the power cord, and there's going to be a hole right beside it. Or you generally want to go ahead and find this small hole, and then you just want to poke it with something like a paper clip. This is basically the reset button for our Starlink router. Or you could also head over to the application, click on the router itself, click settings, and then from there you will be able to reset it on your mobile devices. But once again, you just want to go ahead and find this small button right here, or this small hole, poke it with a paper clip, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.